Ever wondered why your wireless connection is so crucial in today's digital world? Let's delve a bit deeper into the fascinating world of wireless architecture to understand its significance. Wireless architecture forms the very backbone of our modern digital infrastructure. It's the invisible framework that allows us to stay connected, communicate, and transfer data seamlessly across the globe. Without it, we wouldn't have the convenience of our smartphones, the ability to work remotely, or the endless world of information at our fingertips. Imagine a bustling city with its roads, bridges, and traffic signals. Just as these elements form the city's infrastructure, allowing people and goods to move around, wireless architecture provides the same role for the digital realm. It creates pathways for data to travel, enabling our devices to connect to the internet and communicate with each other. In essence, wireless architecture allows us to live in a world where geographical boundaries are irrelevant. From video conferencing with colleagues located halfway around the globe, streaming our favorite shows, to controlling smart home devices from our phones, all of these are made possible by the intricate design of wireless architecture. But it's not just about convenience. Wireless architecture is also vital for security. It ensures that our data, whether it's a simple text message or sensitive financial information, travels securely from one point to another. It creates a safe and secure environment for our digital interactions, safeguarding us from cyber threats. Moreover, wireless architecture plays a crucial role in innovation. It's the platform upon which new technologies are built. From the Internet of Things to autonomous vehicles, wireless architecture is the foundation that allows these emerging technologies to flourish. In closing, it's safe to say that wireless architecture is more than just a tool for connectivity. It's a critical component of our digital world, supporting our daily activities, protecting our data, and driving technological innovation. Without a robust wireless architecture, our digital world could come to a standstill. So the next time you connect to a wireless network, remember that you're tapping into a complex and vital system that makes the modern world possible. Now, have you heard about Cisco Wireless Architecture and wondered what it is? Let's dive right in. Cisco Wireless Architecture is a sophisticated and comprehensive solution that brings together all elements of a wireless network to provide secure, reliable, and seamless connectivity. It's a bit like the conductor of a symphony, orchestrating all the individual instruments to create a harmonious whole. At its core, Cisco Wireless Architecture is designed to be scalable. This means it can grow and adapt with your needs, whether you're a small business needing to connect a few devices or a global corporation with thousands of users. It's like a set of building blocks that can be assembled in various configurations, allowing for a network that can expand or contract as required. But it's not just about size. Cisco Wireless Architecture is also renowned for its flexibility. It can accommodate a wide variety of devices, applications, and services from laptops and smartphones to Internet of Things, devices, and beyond. It's like a universal adapter, providing a consistent and reliable wireless connection, no matter the device or its purpose. Moreover, Cisco Wireless Architecture is robust. It's designed to withstand the rigors of heavy network traffic and potential security threats. It's a bit like a fortress, providing a secure and stable connection even in the face of potential network storms. It's also worth noting that Cisco Wireless Architecture incorporates advanced technologies to enhance performance, such as high-speed wireless standards, intelligent network management tools, and cutting-edge security measures. It's like having a high-performance sports car with all the latest gadgets and gizmos at your disposal. So, in a nutshell, Cisco Wireless Architecture is all about providing a secure, reliable, and seamless wireless connection. It's scalable, flexible, and robust, capable of accommodating a wide variety of devices and applications while withstanding heavy network traffic and potential security threats. Cisco Wireless Architecture is essentially the powerhouse behind your stable and secure wireless connections. So, what makes up this powerhouse called Cisco Wireless Architecture? Well, it's a sophisticated blend of key components, each playing a crucial role in delivering a seamless wireless experience. First, let's delve into the Wireless LAN Controller, or WLC for short. This is the brain of the operation, the central hub that manages and controls all the lightweight access points within the network. Its job? To ensure the network runs smoothly, efficiently, and securely. It's the WLC that makes decisions about which access points should handle your data, ensuring a seamless transition as you move around. Next, we have the lightweight access points, or LAPs. These are the foot soldiers of the Cisco Wireless Architecture, the devices that directly interface with your wireless devices. They are lightweight because they don't make decisions about where to send your data. That's the WLC's job. Instead, they focus on providing a strong, reliable wireless signal for your devices. And then, there's the control and provisioning of wireless access points protocol, more commonly known as CAPWAP. This is the messenger, the go-between, that facilitates communication between the WLC and the LAPs. It's the CAPWAP that carries instructions from the WLC to the LAPs and reports back with information about network performance. It's a vital part of the system, ensuring that the WLC and LAPs work together as a coherent, effective team. So, what we have here is a cleverly designed system where each component plays its part. The WLC makes the decisions, the LAPs provide the connection, and the CAPWAP ensures they all communicate effectively. It's a beautifully orchestrated dance, with each part in perfect sync with the others, ensuring your wireless experience is as smooth and efficient as possible. Together, these components work to provide you with a seamless wireless experience. So there you have it, the building blocks of Cisco Wireless Architecture. Now, let's see this architecture in action in our next scene. Now, how does Cisco Wireless Architecture translate into real-world applications? Let's dive in to see how this remarkable system supports various applications that we use every day. Imagine you're in a video conference call. You're presenting to your team, sharing your screen, and exchanging ideas. This seamless interaction is made possible by Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP, supported by Cisco Wireless Architecture. With its robust infrastructure, it ensures that your voice and video transmissions are crystal clear, devoid of lag or interference. Consider another scenario. You're kicking back after a long day, streaming your favorite show. The video plays smoothly, without buffering or loss of quality. That's the magic of Cisco Wireless Architecture at work. It ensures that large volumes of data, such as high-definition video streams, are transmitted effectively over the network. Now, let's talk about mobile applications. We're all familiar with how frustrating it can be when an app doesn't work as it should. With Cisco's advanced wireless architecture, you can say goodbye to those experiences. It provides a high-quality, uninterrupted service, making sure your applications run smoothly, whether you are browsing social media, playing online games, or checking your emails. But it's not just about enhancing your personal experience. Cisco Wireless Architecture plays a crucial role in industries too. In healthcare, it supports telemedicine, allowing doctors to consult with patients remotely. In education, it powers virtual classrooms, enabling learning from anywhere in the world. In retail, it drives e-commerce, ensuring that customers can shop online with ease. So, whether you're a network engineer designing a new system, a business leader seeking to optimize your operations, or a user enjoying the digital world, Cisco Wireless Architecture has a profound impact on your experience. From your video calls to your favorite online games, Cisco Wireless Architecture is working behind the scenes to ensure a smooth experience. So what are the key takeaways about Cisco Wireless Architecture? Let's recap. Firstly, we've seen how crucial wireless architecture is in our interconnected world. It's the backbone of the digital age, enabling everything from personal communications to critical business operations. And when it comes to wireless architecture, Cisco is a key player, leading the industry with its innovative solutions. Cisco's wireless architecture isn't just one thing, but rather a collection of components working together to create a seamless wireless experience. At its heart, it consists of access points that connect devices to the network, wireless LAN controllers that manage these access points, and the wireless control system, a central hub for controlling and monitoring the entire network. These components aren't just thrown together haphazardly, but are carefully designed and integrated. Cisco's architecture is built on a principle of modularity, allowing for flexibility and scalability. As a network's needs grow, Cisco's wireless architecture can adapt and expand accordingly. This means it can be as effective in a small office as it is in a large corporation or a busy airport. We also dove into how this architecture is used in real-world applications. From providing consistent high-speed internet access at large events to enabling secure communications in sensitive environments, Cisco's wireless architecture is designed to meet a wide range of needs. Perhaps one of the most striking features of Cisco's architecture is its focus on security. With built-in features such as rogue detection, encryption, and authentication protocols, Cisco ensures that its wireless networks are not just fast and reliable, but also secure. In essence, Cisco's wireless architecture is all about providing a seamless, secure, and scalable wireless experience. It's a testament to Cisco's commitment to innovation and to their understanding of the needs of the modern digital landscape. Remember, next time you connect to a wireless network, there's a good chance Cisco wireless architecture is making it possible. Thanks for tuning in.